Hey guys, how's it going? This one's going to be kind of short and sweet. Motor sprocket, okay? My bikes run no charging system, no stator. This one right here, excuse me, the magnets have already, whenever I bought these parts, the magnets were already missing out of here. So if you were wanting to salvage that stuff, you're going to want to press this apart. It's not really on there that good, but you got to wrap it with a hammer to get it off. And if you go beating on this thing with a hammer, you'll knock those magnets out. So if you don't care and you don't have a shop press, just be careful, use some gloves, and you work your way around it with a hammer. There's basically these 4 bolts. I'm gonna buzz out of here real quick. Like I said, it's still on there. So it takes a little bit of work to get it off of there. I'll see if it'll come off of here. That's loud. So let's go ahead and set it up on the press so I don't mess around and bang up any gears on it. Hopefully y'all can see that pretty good there. Let's see here. How sketchy this is going to be, but probably ain't going to be great. Yeah, I think we can make that work. Yeah, maybe we'll go with that one. Okay. And I need to put something in here to keep that sprocket from falling all the way to the floor. Maybe that'll do it. We'll give that a try, okay? Can everybody see this all right? Okay. What I anticipate here is these blocks trying to push their way out from under it and flipping and falling on my toes and everything else. You never know, we might get lucky here. Boom. There it is. Made a hell of a racket, didn't it? Okay. So here's your motor sprocket. This would just go right back on the engine. Right here with your clutch basket and so on and so forth. That'll go right there. That's the nut for it. Okay. This piece right here, you're omitting. I think it's with the magnets and everything, it's like 3 pounds right on the end of your flywheel. So it's, trust me when I tell you, it made a world of difference in mine. My bracket bike, wow, that thing RPM's quick with this stuff going off of it. And also have roller tip rocker arms in that engine too. Between those two things, it RPM's really quick. So I was surprised. But you want to, if you're a race only and you don't mind hooking a trickle charger up to your bike between runs, get rid of this stuff. It makes such a big difference in performance. So, again, as I always say, if you guys have any questions regarding this, feel free to drop a comment. Let me know. Again, these are all projects geared towards the new pro bike. A lot of the things I've done on the bracket bike, I really didn't give any details, and that's one of my regrets as far as the build series on that bike goes. So I was just kind of feeling my way to see what y'all wanted to see and what you didn't want to see. Sometimes things can be monotonous and boring, and people will just jump off after about a minute. So I try not to ramble. I try to get straight to the point, show y'all what I'm talking about. I believe that's it on this one. Again, like I said, any questions, leave me a comment. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Thank you. Have a good day.